I want to start this video by saying that this is 2025 and there are a lot, did you hear the way I stressed it? There are a lot of affordable and budget friendly options that you can use to your own advantage. In other words, you have no excuse to look tacky or to look ugly. Listen, nobody is going to compensate you for that. So, in this video, we are going to be talking about how to look good, how to look your best, how to look presentable on a budget. Don't go anywhere, okay? Hey guys, what is good? How are you guys doing? You're welcome back to the channel. My name is damilola. In case you're stopping by for the first time, I'm so happy to have you here. Do not be a stranger, okay? In today's video, we are going to be talking about affordable options to look our best. Like I said in my intro, this is 2025. You do not have any excuse to look ugly. Okay, is either you want it or you want it. You have to look good. You have to look your best, and I am here to make sure of that. The first tip I'll give to look your best is to do your skincare. This is like the first and the most important step. You need to do your skincare, and your skincare starts from having a simple bath, cleanliness. I don't know what every other faith says, but I'm a Christian, and what the Bible says is cleanliness is next to godliness. Listen, it starts from taking a simple bath. Have your bath, brush your teeth. I really want to talk a lot about oral hygiene, but I don't want this video to be too long. Brush your teeth, scrape your tongue. You don't want to you don't want to pass and people are holding their breath, or they are or they are calling you their sister or brother where they gba. You do understand what I'm saying? So cleanliness is next to godliness. Do your skincare. See, when you see people and their skin is flourishing and the skin is looking good, I can tell you that it did not start in a day. Okay, it is a result of consistent, routine habits that they have built over the years or over the months. Okay, so your skincare is very, very important. Do your skincare. In order to do your skincare right and get the right results, you need to know your skin type. It starts from there. There are a lot of people that have gotten products because their friend has it, or because they see it on the media, or it's trendy, you know. But and these products are not cheap, they are very expensive. But at the end of the day, you notice that you buy them and these products do not work. And you're like, oh, this skincare everybody's even talking about doesn't work. It works, but it is possible that the products you have, all of the products you bought, are not for your skin type. So to do it the right way, you need to know your skincare. You need to know your skin type, and that starts from knowing your skin type. I have a video on my channel that talks about that. It's not long at all, it is less than 5 minutes. That will guide you to know your skin type right in the comfort of your home. Knowing your skin type will help you to pick the right product for your skin and the ingredients to focus on when you're choosing your products. Okay, do your skincare, it is important. The next tip I'll give to look your best is makeup. I know you are like, say somebody that wants to talk about makeup that is not even looking glam. Listen, I decided not to do my makeup for this video because I want to talk about this. Remember, this video is about affordability and low budget, yeah? So we will not be talking about the full glam. However, we'll be talking about how you can, make your face up and still look good. And the first thing I'm going to be talking about is your brows. Again, you have no excuse. There are a lot of options to take care of your brows. There's micro shading, there's microblading, there's ombre, there's lamination, there's shaving, there's threading. While some are expensive to do, some are expensive to maintain, there are also the cheap ones. See, simply carving and brushing up your brows just to put it in place is okay. It is enough. If you cannot afford microblading, carve your brows. If you cannot afford to, laminate and thread it monthly, then, just brush it up with your wax or gel and just put it in place. Especially for all of you that have full brows, you don't know what God has done for you. I decided to get my own microblader because see, they are not in existence. Okay, so there is that. You do not have to go through that route. There are a lot of videos on YouTube that will guide you on how to carve your brows at home yourself, how to laminate, and even how to thread. So if you cannot afford the expensive ones, you can do the ones you can do yourself at home and just look good. Like I said, you can use your wax, you can use your gel, whatever, just to keep your brows in place. It's not nice when your brows is looking s- scattered. Okay, let's keep our brows in place. Still on makeup, I want to talk about the lips. Please stop walking about with ashy lips. It's not nice. It's not good. Some of you even go about stop it. Don't do that, okay? There are affordable options to see. The most important thing is to keep your lips moisturized. You don't have to petroleum jelly, Vaseline, okay. It's enough. In fact, petroleum Vaseline is even expensive now. There are lip glosses that are below 1,000 naira that you can buy, okay, to make your lips shine. It doesn't have to shine, but just keep it moisturized. Let it look like there is life on your lips. There are people with pigmented lips that do not like to walk about with dark lips, and it makes some people insecure, and that's okay. You can get tinted glosses. Again, there are some that are below 1,000 naira, and they are very, very good. You don't have to braid it back. Don't walk about with ashy lips. It's not nice. It's not fine. Okay? Thank you. The next option I will talk about is our hair. Whether you are keeping natural hair or relaxed hair, or you are on low cut, or as a boy and as a girl, it is important to keep our hair clean. For the girls, if you are a naturalista, okay, just comb it. There are a lot of videos on my channel that I have filmed with my hair neatly packed. It's not until you have wig or you have money to braid, or it doesn't have to be so expensive. Simply packing your hair and keeping it clean, just you can just pack it up and make it look nice. It's okay. And if you want to invest in hair wigs and all of that, you can start with bob. I think those ones are very versatile and you can use it for a lot of occasions. But most importantly, keep your hair clean. If your hair looks, nobody will address you well. Keep your hair clean. It's important. The next option I'll talk about is jewelry and accessories. By accessories, I mean earrings, watches, rings, headbands, and I think even bags. Okay, there is a way accessories elevate our look, even if you are not looking your best, and just once you put on that jewelry, that hair, there is even a level of confidence it adds to you, whether you know it or not. I feel like everyone should invest in accessories or jewelry, and by investment I don't mean big money. If you are just starting out and you do not have big money, in fact, this we are even talking about budget friendly options in this video, right? So you can start by buying stainless steel jewelry or accessories. Those ones stand the test of time. Before you will get the value for your money before it's anything happens to it. Non-tarnish stainless steel, those ones are very good. You can start by buying stud, hoops, the ones that you can use for all kinds of occasions. Like I said, accessories have a way of elevating the whole look. When you do your makeup, even without makeup, once you finish dressing up and your hair is made, everything looks good, just try and put a piece of jewelry on, whether on your wrist or your ears. You will see what I'm talking about, okay? And if you can, gold is very good. I mean, those ones you will get the value for your money over and over and over and over. It even has more value, right? But like I said, this video is about affordability. You can start out with I'm giving the option of stainless steel because the fast fashion trendy ones, those ones there are some that you after the second use is already you know what I'm talking about. So that's why I'm advising the non-tarnish stainless steel ones. You thank me later. The last tip I'll give for this video is about styling. And by styling, I mean your dresses, what you put on, shoes, and even bags. I'm not a pro at this, but I know that it's very important to look good. I know that, okay? Styling has a way of making you look, it adds, again, it adds a level of confidence that you might not even be aware of. It just makes you feel good about yourself. Guys, it is important to look good. Have you not heard that the way you dress is the way you'll be addressed? Aha, that's saying it's important. Have you not seen people that do not look fine? I mean, people's standard, because I'm doing like this because we are all created in the image of God and God is beautiful. Okay. When those type of people are dressed up, when they walk into places, even you that are calling them not fine, you have a rethink before you can say it out. There's a level of confidence they exude, and they make heads turn in a way. And yeah, I think that is good and everyone should experience that. Dress well. Like I said, I'm not a pro at this, but I know somebody on this YouTube that talks about styling. She plays dress up on her videos, and she also offers styling tips here and there. I'll put her name on the screen. She's styled by HRS. Please check out her channel and tell her you are from me. Again, you will thank me. You will thank me. That brings us to the end of today's video. If you have learned a thing or two from this video, please kindly subscribe to my channel. You guys don't subscribe, you don't like, I beg. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, and please share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.